Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see how we can save our laptop from water damage. So if water has fallen on your laptop too, this video is for you. So first of all, power off your laptop or shut it down. Now detach charger and other external accessories. Also try to remove the battery if possible. Now take a cloth and wipe up the residual liquid. Now take a towel and place it on a plain surface. Now open your laptop as wide as possible and place it face down on towel, and also switch on the fan. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then open your laptop with a screwdriver and then simply remove the hardware which you are able to. Now take a piece of cloth and gently clean the laptop and the removed hardwares. Again wait for few minutes to dry and reassemble the laptop. Now turn on your laptop and it will start working. But if it is not working, then simply take it to the company's service center. They will fix it for you. So these were the ways by which you can save your laptop. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.